Hello. The fingers are back. Unboxing this one that I bought for my wife because she got a dry face. And she said water didn't cure it. So I went online and bought this. It's a package. I don't know what it is. It's unboxing. I'm more curious than anybody else. Bubble blast. It's gonna be a fun evening. More bubble blast and some bite to this. And more bubble blast. What an evening I gotta have. What is this? Whatever you want to call this, I will not even try to pronounce it.
PhysioGel.
PhysioGel. So, that's one thing I bought for her. The price, expensive. So, that's one thing.
That's for your face, right?
It's for your face. And more PhysioGel.
I think that one is for the hair.
It's from the Czech Republic, so it's very difficult to read. But it was cheaper than what you could buy in Denmark. And this apparently should be a really good product for my wife. So I hope she will be beautiful. Because she needed to be beautiful for her husband. It's important for me. I will try to taste it. What color is it? Let's see. It's just a gel.
Hey, that's for the hair, I think.
That's for the hair, she said. But we don't know because it's and there is no declaration on English. There is none. It's all in Czech Republic language. And also the other one, same thing.
Show it again.
So this is it. If you see my wife and she's beautiful, it's cause of me.
There's actually one free item there.
Oh, a free item also. I was about to throw this one out. It's MediBlanc.
What is that for, actually?
It's for making you white because you're so brownish.
Huh.
I don't know what it is. It's a professional dental care that you need. It's whitening toothpaste.
Ah.
So, as I said, it's for making you more white, as I told you. So, let's taste it. It's all yours. No. So that's it. Unboxing of today.
And where did we bought it?
Czech Republic. Bought it on. I don't even remember what the shop was.
Notino. Today is yours.
Wow.
See?
Wow. Okay, that's it. So the fingers say bye-bye for now.